Hi, welcome to Starbucks.
I'm incredibly humbled the way that all our partners, over 1,000 that we are today, have embraced different programs, be it Latte Art, which is beautifully executed, or also the recently launched Coffee Master program. What also amazes me is the way that the My Starbucks Reward program has been launched in India. In a very short span of time, we've been able to deliver it with unique features and of course to delight and reward our loyal consumers. I just want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for everything that you do for the company and for the consumer every single day.
50 stores, 5 cities in less than 2 years. Amazing achievement for any company. Hand in hand with that, 50 stores don't happen without our awesome partners.
The apron which you see here is a Coffee Master apron and I'm really proud of it. I had the opportunity to go to Coorg as part of the first ever Origins trip and it fascinated me to become a Coffee Master.
Since I took the journey of being a coffee master, I've been able to share this expertise, share this passion along with our customers and our fellow partners as well.
Coffee master is one part of knowledge and two parts of actions. As a coffee master, we need to come explore, get knowledge about coffees and share the expertise with our fellow partners.
My advice to all coffee masters and to all partners working with Tata Starbucks is to keep the passion alive.
We saw the entire story and understood the journey from coffee farm to the processing to the coffee roasting plant. We also got an opportunity to spend time with children at Swasta Foundation. We all are happy with the fact that we were able to add some value to the life.
I think I would say that I live by the brand mission statement, which is to nurture and inspire the human spirit, one person, one cup and one neighborhood at a time. And when we talk about the first 90 feet, there's so much of hard work that goes behind the scene by the farmers.
The moment we entered Coorg, we could see, smell and feel coffee everywhere. We brew a lot of love in our coffee. We were very fortunate to have been given an opportunity of putting up a plant there and nurturing it.
To celebrate our 50 store anniversary, we wanted to make sure we also give back to the community in a similar way. And what best way? Each store did a CSR activity and we did 50 CSR activities pan-India.
We have done very different kind of activities like teaching in an NGO or painting in a school, going to cancer hospital.
So we visited the old age home, we cleaned our parks, appreciations which we received from the company as well as from the people and our customers. That was wonderful.
When we opened our 50 stores, we did 50 coffee tastings in a week. Those coffee tastings were in the store plus nearby offices. They are still coming to my store to have those coffees. That shows how much people are loving our company.
Latte art by definition is perfectly steamed milk poured into a perfectly pulled espresso shot such that it creates a design against the crema. It highlights the craftsmanship of the barista.
So initially it was very difficult for us. We all gave our best and now we have started delivering those hearts into coffees and making sure getting those smiles from the customers.
We're extremely proud and excited to have launched My Starbucks Rewards in India this year. And I want to thank all our customers who have joyously embraced the program and engaged with us, and all our partners who have passionately supported the program. I really look forward to elevating the unique Starbucks experience for our customers and taking it to another level with My Starbucks Rewards.
Seeing it come alive and being so well reciprocated by customers, we're very proud of this.
I was in store at 7 AM in the morning. To see that star on my account was very satisfying and was very rewarding.
Our customers has always loved us. This has been an opportunity for us to give them back.
Customers are really happy about it and we as a partners are also happy that our regular customers are coming back and they are also getting rewarded through this program.
The date came, so I rushed from work just to come and get the card because I finally wanted to register and get my free upgrades and get free drinks and stuff, and it just adds to the experience.
The first experience of which card to select, that enthusiasm, it's great. And when you receive that card, it's amazing. It's better than your first ATM card.
I love the coffee. It's the service is amazing.
I've always had a good time over here. Projects sort of just become fun when you just come over here and chill out. With good friends, it's always brilliant fun.
I got to know that they also support the local community over there. It's really heartwarming to hear that.
It's nice. I mean, it gives you a good feeling. Maybe you can try a new drink sometime because of the coffee tasting session.
Coffee tasting is a very fine way of getting into coffee flavor. So I think it's really nice. In fact, I did that for the first time here. I never did it earlier.
You've completed 2 very packed years and rolled out over 50 Starbucks stores. This impressive momentum that you have set has been possible by a joint team effort by all our partners, the support center and the dynamic young leadership team. Congratulations to all of you. Please go out and celebrate, and all the very best.
On behalf of Tata Starbucks, congratulations to all of you here. From one store in Horniman Circle in Mumbai, we are now more than 55 stores in 6 cities of the country. All our partners in Tata Starbucks have brought thousands of Indian consumers the most outstanding coffee experience. From your board of directors and from all of us in the management of the company, thank you sincerely for the efforts you have put into this, and I wish all of you Tata Starbucks a wonderful next 2 years and many more years as we transform the coffee drinking culture and experience in India. Well done and thanks a lot.
Hi partners, I want to take this opportunity and thank you for all that you have done to build such an incredible experience for our customers each and every day over the last 2 years. As we look at and think back to when we opened the doors in October of 2012 at this store, our very first store, and to think how far that we've come, it's because of all of you and the way in which you have brought the Starbucks experience to life each and every day. It's incredible to see the tremendous response our customers have given us and the way in which you passionately bring to life that experience for them each and every day. And on behalf of all the partners in the 65 countries around the world, the 300,000 partners who wear the green apron, we congratulate you and we thank you for everything you do. Congratulations, and I look forward to a very bright future for us in India and for all of you as partners. Thank you.